How to sign up for a Bitget account, create a Bitget account. If you want to create a Bitget account, you can use the Bitget app or you can go to bitget.com. I'll make sure to drop a link below. From the top right, you'll find the sign up button in the black pill. So you want to simply go to the sign up button right here. Now you can simply choose the email address and password that you would like to create your Bitget account with, and make sure that you have access to this particular email. And you also want to go ahead and make sure to choose your password. If you're not sure what password you've typed in, you can tap the I button to confirm it. Agree to the terms and conditions and click on the create account button. Once you click the create account button, you might need to go ahead and basically verify it. So you can simply go ahead and choose this in the certain CAPTCHA, then click on the OK button right here. Once you've done that, it will send a verification code to your email. So go to your registered email address. And once you go to your registered email address right here, you'll see the Bitget verification code. You want to simply copy this. So once you copy it, you can come back and also paste it and just click the sign up button. And just like that, our Bitget account has been successfully created. If you want though, you can also choose to verify it. And this way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically create or sign up for your Bitget account. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.